So we've had some experience talking about what expository discourse is. Why should we facilitate discourse with expository text? Well, it's a key for building academic and social success. It can also influence future employment or secondary education. Finally, children are rarely directly taught the academic talk register if they do not already know it after preschool. So, as we look at this, we have to understand three very important things. The first is that we have to have an ability to orally understand language, and that acts as the ceiling for our reading comprehension. So when we can understand oral language, that causes us to be able to have reading comprehension. When we have that reading comprehension, that allows us to be able to speak about what we are reading. And that is where this 33% comes in. When students can articulate learning in words that they understand, their learning increases by 33%. However, if we don't have that oral comprehension, which allows us to have the reading comprehension, we're not going to be able to talk about what we've read or heard.